name is Hannah Fagin and I work in MoMA's Education Department. The theme of this week's Creativity Lab at Home series is Find Materials Anywhere. Artists use sketchbooks to brainstorm ideas and keep up a daily practice. I'll show you how to make a pamphlet-bound sketchbook with materials you likely have at home. First, you need paper. You can find paper all around you. In my home, I found everything from envelopes to a chocolate wrapper. Next, you need string. I went with dental floss, but here are some more options. Now we're ready to get started. The first step is folding each page. I'm using a smooth object to make a crease. Stack each page into one another. You could cut your paper to size, but I like the look of different sizes. Next, I'm using a needle to poke 3 holes. If you don't have one, you can use anything sharp, like a thumbtack, scissors, or a nail. If you're making this with kids, get a grown-up to help or use a stapler. Starting from the inside page, punch a hole at the center of the inner page. Punch another hole at the top and bottom, about 1.5 inches from the edge of the inner page. Now we're ready to sew. I chose dental floss as my string. If you don't have a needle, make larger holes so you can feed the string with your fingers alone. Start on the outside of the book and thread the needle through the middle hole. Leave a tail at the end. Next, bring your needle through the top hole of the book, moving from the interior to the outside. Next, thread your needle from the outside of the top hole into the bottom hole and pull through. Ready for our last stitch. Sew into the middle hole and pull. Finish it off by tying a knot around the outside 2 strings and giving it a trim. Now you're ready to use your sketchbook. Here are artist books in MoMA's collection for inspiration. This is a sketchbook from Georgia Lupi and Stephanie Pozovic's Dear Data project, where they use data visualization to track their daily lives. Susan Kerr used a gridded notebook to sketch designs for Mac, and Ibrahim El-Salahi's notebook features drawings and poems that document his experience of incarceration in Sudan. If you make a sketchbook, share a photo with us by tweeting at MoMA Learning.